Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. What we're going to do in this short video is show you how to tell if your pressure tank, if the bladder's gone bad in your pressure tank. So what you want to do, you want to shut the power off to your well pump, depressurize the well system. Right there you can see that's showing 0. So you want to run a faucet until the pressure goes down to 0. And then what you want to do is you want to shake the tank around. Hear that water sloshing around? That's the bladder's going bad in this pressure tank. And you've got to shut the water pressure off and drain it down to be able to tell whether the tank is completely bad or not. You can't do it with the system pressurized. So this is how you tell, and in the next video I'm going to show you how nasty the water is on the other side of the bladder and why you definitely need to replace these tanks when they go bad. Hi, it's Scott with Mr. Water. I got this old pressure tank outside and I'm going to go ahead and put some holes in it with my framing hammer while I hold this camera. Show you the nasty water that's inside of this tank. So I'm going to go ahead and dump it over. And there you go. That bladder is totally bad. Look at that water coming out of there now. Yep. You're actually drinking that stuff. That nasty water is ended up in your water supply. So there's a demonstration as to why you definitely need to replace your well tank when it goes bad for multiple reasons. And I'll show you a photo of the other system when I get it in. Hi there, it's Scott with Mr. Water, all done with the pressure tank. Brand new pressure tank, 34 gallon. As you can see, I put it up on blocks, and I also installed a check valve for the well system that was not installed on the previous tank. And the pressure's been adjusted, and it's a major improvement. Real short video, but this is how you install a pressure tank.